What's poppin', air gunners? I'm Denny, the Flat Broke Air Gunner, and this is the Flat Broke Air Gunner Show. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Today it's gonna be an unveiling. A new air gun hits the FBA table, and it's coming up next. Welcome back, air gunners. Here we go. Like I said, it's going to be an unveiling. It is the Diana Trail Scout. When I got it, it didn't come with a scope, so I had to pick up the Barska scope, and I think it looks great on there. I'm going to do some close-ups at the end and do the back and forth panning thing, but I'm doing this filming all by myself, so check it out. I'm digging it. It comes with 2 magazines, a whole bag of different O-rings and stuff. It comes with a single shot tray. We're going to be checking it out and doing a full review of it coming up in a week. There's a few things that I noticed right out of the box that it's very narrow feeling. It's very small. Like I could wrap my index finger and thumb around the grip of the stock. So I think this may be set up for like a kid or a starter or something. I don't know. I had to do some assembly on the CO2 charging setup, and that was kind of odd to me. I figured that, coming from the factory, that would be set up, but it wasn't. I had to put it together. It wasn't very hard, and it helped me to understand how the rifle works a little better. So, I was pretty pleased about, the whole situation when it all came together. But here's the overall gun. Stick around. We got some shots coming up next. Once again, the flyby over and check it all out. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Not only does your viewership, but your friendship truly means a lot to me. Always be a straight shooter. Always wear your shooting glasses when you're shooting. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care of yourselves out there, and God bless.